Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, faces of a cube are marked with A, B, C, D, E and F. If two views of cube are as shown below, what will be there on the top when F is at the bottom? Here, in the two views, position of face E is same. So, if we rotate one of the wave such that position of E remains fixed, position of E remains fixed, we will see that D is opposite to C and F is opposite to B. Hence, B will be there on the top when F is at the bottom.